Today I'm going to change the compressor oil on this Harbor Freight compressor. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tilt the compressor towards me so that the oil will drain from this drainage system right here, or drain tube. If I don't tilt it, it's going to get all over the tank, and this is the fill tube. Alright, I simply tilted the compressor with the two wheels that I got with the compressor kit. So I didn't actually tilt it at a very steep angle, just enough for it to let the oil flow. And I think it takes a 5mm Allen socket. Let me put this on a tripod. There we go. Takes a 5mm socket, Allen socket. So I'll loosen it. Make sure it's loose. There it is. And I'll stick the oops. Oops, we got guests, so I'm going to turn this off. Oops, should actually remove this first to allow the air to go in, and then remove the drain plug. Alright, I took the filler tube off. I just took the 5mm Allen bolt off, and now the oil is draining. You see that? It looks pretty clear to me. Look at that. It looks clear. I don't see any specks. Oh, maybe I see maybe one or two specks, but I don't know if it's because the plastic container was dirty. But looks pretty easy to change. The oil, that is. And it's not messy. Oh shoot, it is messy. It's dripping. You have to watch out for the leakage. That might come from behind here. Made a little bit of a mess, but it's not something I can't clean up. Anyways, that's basically all there is to changing the oil on this compressor. It's about done. I just barely made it in terms of getting a container big enough to hold all this oil.